Hi, my name is Sarah Clement. This is my final for the universe, and I'm going to be talking about what a planet needs to sustain life. Scientists have recently found evidence of many possible habitable planets in our galaxy, maybe even tens of billions. These planets are sometimes referred to as Goldilocks planets because they're just the right distance from their star to be safe havens for life, like Baby Bear's porridge, not too hot, not too cold. Maybe they should be called baby bear planets. It was his porridge after all. Goldilocks could more accurately represent a space probe. There are other factors which also determine the habitability of a planet. Liquid water seems to be one of the most important. If there's liquid water, but it is covered with ice, it would be difficult to know if there's anything alive in there. Another major factor is what this porridge bowl is made out of. One, does it have the other elements needed for life as we know it, such as carbon and nitrogen? And two, does it have a liquid metal core that can produce a magnetic field? Earth has this, unlike our next-door neighbors, Venus and Mars. This magnetic field has two possible functions. One, it acts as a shield or umbrella from solar winds, blowing away our atmosphere. And two, it may also act as a sail that captures some of this solar wind. As we've seen in photographs, Mars has riverbeds, indicating that liquid water once flowed over large areas. Over time, it lost its atmosphere because it had no shield or protection from the solar wind. So, its liquid water evaporated and disappeared. Bye-bye. Even though Mars would be habitable distance-wise, its lack of insulation means that it can get down to 195 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. It has a thin atmosphere, 100 times thinner than Earth's, which is 95% carbon dioxide. Venus, another seemingly hopeful candidate, has an average temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit due to its thick, dense cloud layers made up mostly of carbon dioxide, which traps this tremendous heat. This should be a good example for Earthlings not to put too much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. It is fascinating to think that of the billions of baby bear planets out there, at least a few could have some form of life. Who knows what it might look or act like? Unfortunately, they are so far away that humans may never know.